The first connection type is what we call the linear. So linear connection, meaning it progresses. There's a progression flow. To give you a better example, let's say you're playing guard. That's the first, you go for a sweep, okay? Then next technique is a pass, then next is side control, and then we end up in a submission. So you see that linear chain. This is what we do. See, I'm sharing stuff that we do at the academy. This is how we train the beginners. So they have an understanding of what jujitsu is, the different positions, the progress, and how at each role or the end of everything, whether it's self-defense or sport, is a submission. So we do it in a linear manner. So it becomes a chain. Now, so I guess that's pretty simple, right? Linear. It progresses. There's a progression in your position. Now, but we're going to go a little bit more meta into the linear chaining. You need to chain techniques that makes more sense after you progress. So you see someone like Bernardo Faria. Most of you, if you're newer to jiu-jitsu, you all just know him as the BJJ Fanatics guy. You all know him as it's a huge honor for me, in the jiu-jitsu, we just, super nice guy, right? But he was an awesome competitor. And what were his go-to positions and techniques? He loved playing deep half guard. Okay, so from the deep half guard, then he would get some type of sweep. And then he would end up either doing an over-under pass or a double underpass most of the time. Okay, so let's just stick to those. Because why does he prefer? And now even if he's playing top, he prefers to get the over-under and the double unders. Why? Because he's familiar with those, and the double under and over-under passes make so much more sense from his guard of choice, which was the deep half guard. Because he's already there. He landed there. He's at an advantageous position. So he doesn't go, I love doing the deep half guard sweep, and then I love doing the leg drag from there. The leg drag is a little bit more of a long distance pass. It's more of a distance. It's more of like outside passing. Outside. I don't want to be overly technical. What? But having the leg drag doesn't make much sense from his initial sweep. I'm sure you guys are smart enough to understand what I'm talking. So if you plan to do, if that's not how your academy does it, but you want to form your own game and you want to practice a more linear type of training, of chaining, of connection, it has to make sense. So the techniques, even the submissions, it's a let's say, yes, are there mounted triangles? Yes. But let's say you always end up in a mount position from your chain. But then you're like, oh, but my favorite submission is a triangle. It's hard to get the mounted triangle. So you'd rather just work on your cross chokes and arm locks from there. Because that makes a little bit more sense, or a lot of sense. So that's the first type of connection. Linear. So like this. We're progressing. What's the second one? So it's